Section 1 of a Hebrew grammar by Strack. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For further information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Hebrew Grammar by Hermann L. Strack. Section 1 Orthography and Phonology. Chapter 1 Alphabet. Hebrew is written from right to left. The alphabet consists entirely of consonants. Their form, names, transcription, pronunciation, and numerical value are shown in the table on the following page. Since the fundamental idea of any stem in Hebrew, as in the Semitic languages generally, is almost always conveyed by the consonants, for example, the three consonants G to L always express the idea of killing, whereas, for example, MTR in English may signify meter, miter, motor, major, matter. An alphabet that indicated the consonants only sufficed for the Hebrews. In doubtful cases, suitable consonants were employed as matres lectionis, that means to indicate the vowels. See Yod for I and E, Waw for O and U, rarely Aleph for long A. Concerning He at the end of the word, see Chapter 2b. 5 characters have a different form at the end of the word. See German End S and Middle S. Kaf, Mem, Nun, P, Sade. Vox memorialis, Kymnapes. Alphabet. Aleph, numerical value 1, Bet, numerical value 2, Gimel, numerical value 3, Dalet, numerical value 4, He, numerical value 5, Waw, numerical value 6, Zayin, numerical value 7, Chet, numerical value 8, Tet, numerical value 9, Yod, numerical value 10, Kaf, numerical value 20, Lamet, numerical value 30, Mem, numerical value 40, Nun, numerical value 50, Samech, numerical value 60, Ayin, numerical value 70, P, numerical value 80, Sade, numerical value 90, Qof, numerical value 100, Resh, numerical value 200, Sin and Shin, numerical value 300, Tau, numerical value 400. Chapter 2. When a vowel, a chatev, or a sheva mobile, or a loosely closed syllable immediately precedes, the consonants have a softer pronunciation than when this is not the case. 6 consonants have the harder pronunciation regularly indicated by a point, dagesh lene, inserted in the letter. B, G, D, K, P, T, but W, R, D, Ch, F, Th. He, otherwise with dagesh, at the end of the word is usually only an inaudible sign that the preceding consonant is followed by a vowel. For example, that Rish, Bet, He is not to be pronounced Rav, but Reve, Rove, Rabba, etc., according to the context. Note: This mater lectionis is especially employed when tau or yod has been dropped in pronunciation and thereafter in writing. Yod, when no vowel immediately follows, remains silent. 1. After e and e. 2. In the middle of a word, after shegol, for example, yadecha. 3. At the end of a word in the ending, au, also written au, for example, nashau, but goi, yadai, etc. Ein, a peculiar guttural, differently pronounced in different words. See Arabic ein and rein. The hardest pronunciation may be approximately reproduced by r. Chapter 3. Classification of consonants. 1. Gutturals. Chet, he, ein, aleph. Vox memorialis, ahacha. 2. Palatals. Kof, kaf, gimel, yod. Vox memorialis, gichak. 3. Linguals. Tet, tau, dalet, and nun, lamet. Vox memorialis, dat, lenet. 4. Dentals or sibilants. Sade, sin, samech, zayin. Vox memorialis, sash. 5. Labials. P, bet, mim, wow. Vox memorialis, bumaf. In regard to hardness of pronunciation, the following are identical: kof, tet, and sade. Kaf, tau, p, and sin, samech. Gimel, dalet, bet, and zayin. Waw and yod are semi-vocalic consonants. Lamet, mim, nun, and resh are liquids. Resh has several peculiarities of the gutturals. Chapter 4. Vowels. After Hebrew has ceased to be a living speech, a system of vocalization was invented and elaborated probably between the 6th and the 8th century after Christ, in order to preserve the proper pronunciation of the sacred writings. The current enumeration of 5 long and 5 short vowels as follows was introduced by Joseph Kimchi, 12th century. 1. Games, a, yad, chav. 2. Sere, e, shem, ner, from nawir. Chek, ene. 3. Chirek magnum, riv, Dawid or Dawid. 4. Cholem, o and o. Mot, chok. Often cholem for o, for example, kol, alongside of kol. More rarely cholem for o. 5. Shurek, u. Arur, hayu. 6. Patach, a. Rak. 7. Serol, Egdal, el. 8. Chirec parvum, I. Im, im. 9. Games Chatuf, O. Rochbo, Kol. 10. Kibbus, U. Chulda, Shulchan. Sogol is also used to indicate the open E sound, or arising by vocalic modification, Umlautung, out of A. For example, Zera from Zar, Re'ena. Whether Kames is Kames or Kames Chatuf can frequently be determined only by a knowledge of the derivation of the form in question. For most cases, the following will suffice. Kames is long A both in an accented and in an originally open syllable. Kames is O in an unaccented closed syllable. For example, Chochma, 2 before a guttural with Chatef Kames. For example, Yoamat for Yomad. Ho Chaleti, Po Ali, Po Chali. Or with another Kames Chatuf, for example, Po Olcha. 3. In Kodashim and Shorashav, plural of Kodesh and Shoresh. Note: an exception to number 2 is the case where Kamesh is the vowel of the article, as in Ha'aniyah, Ba'aniyah, Ba'oniyah, from Ha'aniyah plus bet. Patach also indicates a short helping vowel, patach furtivum, which is inserted before a hard final guttural, he, ein, when preceded by a heterogeneous long vowel, that is, all long vowels except a. Ruach, Zorea, Siach, Gavua. See further chapter 65d. Kibbus appears frequently for Shurek, for example, Shuv as well as Shuv in Plene, Kumu and Kumu Plene. Very rarely Shurek for Kibbus, for example, Yulad. The employment in unpointed text of the vowel letters Aleph, Waw, and Yod as matres lectionis is called scriptio plena, their non-employment scriptio defectiva. Yakumu, Sukkot, and Dawit are written plene, Yakumu, Sukkot, and Dawit defective. When Cholem and Sin come together, the dot indicating Cholem is, in printed texts, either placed over the left or the right limb of the Sin. For example, Shomer for Shomer, Taphos for Taphos, or where it would coincide with the diacritical point of the Sin, dropped altogether. For example, Sorek, Moshel. End of section 1.